Man, I hate coming to these gas stations and you gotta pay in the dang on inside. That be getting on my nerves. I be liking to pay at the dang on pump instead of paying in the inside. But it is what it is. So gonna get this gas. I ain't got nothing spectacular going on tonight because it's like 9 o'clock. Like I've been staying at home a lot, like bro. I've been staying inside the crib, and then like last minute I just want to go and get some food or something. Then I just fucking vlog. This is really what my life consists of anyway. It's what I do. Dang. I got this pump all mixed up. The world. Oh yeah. It's really what my life consists of. Go, stay at home, and then 2K just came out. I've been playing the game so much, like I've been so tuned in on the game. I ain't worried about nothing else. I do have some more good news. I know a lot of y'all been in my comments, which by the way, I cannot read none of my comments, bro. Like, they don't let me reply to nothing or anything. Like, my comments been stuck on the same thing for the last couple of days, and then like my videos, I can see that y'all comment, but I can't I really can't do nothing. So like, look, let me show y'all. So like, my comments been stuck for a minute. Like, hold on. I just posted a video not too long ago, like yesterday, my Waffle House vlog, and these are the only comments that I see. And then every time I try to reply, it just kicks it back right. Like, it just kicks it right out. I'm not sure if it's something wrong with my YouTube or what, but it's like that on my phone and my laptop, bro. Like, I cannot respond to comments. So I see y'all comments, I just can't respond. And then like my latest videos, it take like a whole day just for me to even see what y'all commented. So I'm gonna have to figure what's going on with. I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with that. But other than that, man, it's gonna be a chill little vlog. It's not gonna be too long. I'm just gonna be out here chilling. I might go see one of my friends. I need to go get food. Thinking about getting food. No. Yo. No, that's not good. I done flooded my tank. I just flooded my tank, bro. Oh. Damn. Anyways, Jesus, bro. It's like I stay doing something. Whether it's what I'm driving a dang on truck or driving my car, I stay messing up something, bro. But I'm about to go ahead and see my friend, grab some food, and then I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. All right, man. I made it to my food spot. I was really trying to get some chicken and waffles, but the spot that I was supposed to go to, they was closing, so I just came to get po' boys. I mean, I done had it before on vlog. I'm just getting it again because it's really good. But one thing that I hate about being out here in the States, especially like where I'm from in Houston, bro, I hate that like I feel like I got a target on my back. Like I feel like I'm constantly being watched. I kind of hate that feeling. And I don't know. I really think it's because of the car that I drive. Like, bro, the car that I have, my BMW, I feel like that just brings a lot of attention to me, bro. And sometimes I hate it because like I'm so used to being out at night. Like I'm a night owl. I like to be out at night all the time. I like to cruise down the street and roll and chill, have a good time. But times have changed, bro. People like to come out here and kill you because of the car you drive, like hurt you because of what you doing in life. And I don't know. That's why I try to dress a certain way. Like right now, I kind of look like I just dress real casual. I got on an all black with a turban, with jewelry, like my necklace, my Jesus piece, and my bracelet that my mom got me, with Nike sweats and some Jordan 4s, and then my car. But like, as soon as I pulled up here, everybody looking at me. I get out the car, everybody staring me down. I'm like, bro, we the same color skin, bro. Why y'all staring at me like that? Like, I don't know. I ain't mean to make it about that, bro. But like, sometimes it gets like, I don't know, bro. It's like I do know, but I just don't want to say it because it's YouTube. But like, then I'm tired of saying the word like. Like I'm trying to work on my vocabulary, but yeah, bro. Oh, it's a Planet Fitness right there. I did not know that. That's crazy. But I went in and I ordered fish and shrimp, a platter. I wasn't gonna get a po' boy, but I really ain't supposed to be having no fried food as it is, because I do know, if I ain't tell y'all already, I got I've been on the line with this company to go work for, and they said I gotta go get a new DOT physical and all that, and that all consists of like getting my, I don't think my blood getting drawn. It shouldn't be getting drawn. It's just my blood pressure and urine that I gotta get done, and anything else. So I really need to watch my diet, and I need to get back to the gym. I have not been in the gym since I've been fired, bro. Like, I have not been in the gym. I just been at home chilling on the game. I just been acting like a little kid in the last few days, bro. Like, ever since I came back from the military, bro, I've been on my grown man stuff, and lately I just been wanting to feel like a kid again. So I've been at home on the game, and you know what I'm saying? I cooked a little meal. Well, 2 days ago I made meatballs with rice and fresh green beans, and we tore it up, bro. We tore it up. My mom and my sister and her husband, we tore that food up. Like, I cooked. What else did I do? That's pretty much it. I just took my sister driving, because my sister, she got to get her license, bro. Like, she a senior now in high school, and since I've been gone, she haven't really had no one-on-one time with me, bro. And that's one thing that I want to work on. Like, I want to have more one-on-one time with my sister, bro, just to spend more time with her, because I missed a lot of time with my little sister, and it already sucks to the point, but the fact that we grew up, the way we grew up, my mom always was working. If I didn't tell y'all the story, my mom was always working, and my pops was behind bars for 11 years of my life, bro. So he missed my whole teenage years. He missed all of that, and then he missed, like, my sister, bro. She barely she 16 now, or 17? She'll still be 17 this year. But no, oh, my sister, bro, we 4 years apart. She should be 18 this year. But yeah, he missed my dad. He missed majority of my sister childhood. Like, he missed all that, bro. So with that being said, me and my sister, it was just us two at home. My mom was working from 4 o'clock in the morning and coming back home at 8 o'clock at night, bro. I'm talking about, she was working double shifts with her CDL, doubles every single day, putting in OT, making sure me and my sister had everything we wanted. When I went to prom, when I went to school, bro, my mom spent thousands of dollars, bro. She spent the cool $1,000 on my shoes alone. I had some red bottoms. She spent $1,000 on that. Then my suit was like 500, no 300, but it was a fly suit. But then she spent like an extra 200 just to get it tailored. So, bro, my mom was working her behind off, and I just say all to say, like, I just want to spend more time with my little sister, bro. So this time that I have off, like, she in school, but I really want to spend more time with her. I took her driving today, but I'll probably do a vlog with just me and my sister again. Like, we'll probably go out. I'll probably take her somewhere fun and vlog that, so y'all can have something for y'all to watch, and then it'll be some bonding time with me and my sister. But oh my God, it is a whole what you call it? What's the name? What's the name of the people that be like out on the street, like, never mind, bro. Foot scratcher, bro. Let me just not even say that. Let me go in and get my food, bro. I was gonna say something wild. All right, man. Now I'm getting food. Well, I got my food. Yeah. My bad for rambling, bro. That's what I do. Like, I'm a really big rambler, rambler, whatever you wanna call it. I yap a lot, but I'm just, at this point, I'm just showing y'all a side of me that y'all don't get to see in my actual, like, in my videos. Like, a lot of y'all subscribers are new. Like, a lot of y'all are new to my channel, so some of y'all don't even know, like, y'all don't know too much about me, like, where I came from and how I grew up. Ooh, look at this food, bro. Let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all this platter right here. Come here, come on. Woo! Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. But yeah, a lot of y'all that's new to my channel, bro, y'all don't know my background, like where I came from. So like, I don't know. I share it with y'all. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I share it with y'all sometimes, but I don't share enough. Like, I don't be putting all my business out there. But like, I do want y'all to like know a little bit more about me rather than just me trucking and complaining, because that's all y'all say is, bro, Fish, you complain a lot, bro. All you do is complain, and whine and cry. You act like a female, blah, blah, blah. That's all y'all say. But it is what it is. I just want to be able to get closer with my supporters, bro. Like, I just want to have an understanding. I want to have an understanding with my supporters. Like, I want to get to know some of y'all background, where y'all came from, how y'all grew up, y'all lifestyle, like what y'all do. But you'll be surprised, bro. I have a lot of supporters that don't even drive trucks and just watch me, bro, which is like crazy. Like, the fact that I have a lot of non-truck drivers. That, and mind you, when I say non-truck drivers, I'm talking about truck drivers that don't even. I'm talking about people that don't even want to be truck drivers. They just watch me just because of my vibe. Like, that right there is hard, bro. Like, y'all watching me just because of my vibe and not to be a truck driver, that is hard, bro. Like, that's hard. Hold on, let me take my bite. Like, y'all know when it's time for me to eat. When it comes time for me to eat, I don't be playing around with my food. But yeah. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry. I gotta eat, but I ain't ate all day. I need to stop doing that too. I have not ate food all day, literally. Right. I haven't ate nothing all day. But let me eat this food. I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm done eating, and then I'm probably gonna head home. And that's gonna be it for the video. I know y'all probably want more videos like this, or y'all probably want longer videos. I'm gonna get back to it. Trust me. I'm gonna get back to it. I just got a lot of stuff going on right now. But when I get back to it, bro, y'all know. Real quick, bro. Somebody just asked me, like in person, when I was in there getting my food, if I smoke. And I was like, nah, I wish I could smoke. Like, sometimes I genuinely wish I could smoke just to get the feeling of like what it's like to actually smoke. Like, especially marijuana. Like, I really want to know what it's like to smoke weed, like the feeling that people get. I don't want to become addicted to it, but I want to know like what it feels like. But I have no business smoking weed because, for one, I'm a truck driver, and then two, what makes it even more worse, I'm in the military, and it is a zero tolerance in both industries. I think I said that right. It's a no tolerance on both sides. So that's why I don't do it. And then also, going back to my background again, bro, like, I grew up around that stuff my whole life. Like, that's all I've been around. Like, I've been around that so much that I really want to do better for myself and for the people that come after me. Like, I want to do better for the generation coming after me. I want to do better for the youth, if that makes sense. But I'll be back for real this time. Eat my food in peace, bro. Sitting there talking to y'all. Alright, man, I'm done eating that, bro. I probably shouldn't have ate that at all. That is salty. Holy. I don't know what I was expecting, bro. I came here to get fish. Of course it was going to be salty, but, bro, that was salty as hell. Then this Kool-Aid sweet. Oh, my God. Yeah, I need to hit the gym for sure. Like, in the morning, ASAP. Oh, my God. Excuse me. God dang. Then I got fish stuck all inside my braces. That's, oh my, you know what? Let me go to the store and get some water. That's what I need to do because that right there is extremely sweet. Holy. Bro, it's like, bro, I don't know if y'all ever like made Kool-Aid as a little kid and then y'all accidentally dumped all the sugar into the dang on jug. If y'all ever did that, I guess I'm the only idiot that ever did that. But when I was little, I was not making Kool-Aid, and mind you, I didn't have a regular Kool-Aid pack. I had the Kool-Aid that already come with sugar in it. I dumped that in there, and then I dumped the additional sugar in there. And bro, when I opened up the sugar, I tried to dump it, all of it fell inside the jug, bro. So it was a picture about this thick of sugar in there. Man, that was the sweetest Kool-Aid of life. We literally, like, me and my sister and everybody, bro, we literally had to drink from that, and all we have to do, like bro, we'll literally pour like this much of juice inside a cup and then fill it up with water. And it'll still be like regular Kool-Aid sweet. That right there was wild. But let me go to the store real quick, grab a bottle of water, and I'm gonna head home. Alright, man, I'm back at home. I just came inside the house. I'm very irritated. Bro, one of my braces, like one of my brackets came off my tooth, and now I just have pure wire back there. And it's kind of like poking my mouth. I really wish I could cut it off and then wait till tomorrow to get it redone. But it is so annoying. It's just so annoying that it broke, bro. I'm so mad that it broke. But anyway, I appreciate everybody that stayed tuned to this vlog. I'm gonna try my hardest to start doing more vlogs during the day so I can give y'all videos during the day instead of at night, late at night, because a lot of y'all have not been, well, a lot of y'all probably don't get my notifications, or a lot of y'all be asleep, so I'm gonna try to upload a little bit earlier. But with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Your boy Fish out. Peace.